Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to make sweet pongal. For that we need rice. You have to wash it and strain the water and put it, and now you have to add raw milk. After adding raw milk you have to boil it. You have to boil until the rice was cooked well. The milk was boiled. Now you have to see the rice was cooked or not. You have to cook softly. Until the rice became soft. Now the rice was cooked perfectly. You have to add sugar. You have to add 1/4 cup of sugar. And stir it. After melting sugar, you have to add jaggery. Because when you add jaggery, the milk will spoil. That's why you have to add afterwards. Sugar melts. After sugar melts, now you have to add jaggery. It's also 1/4 cup. See, no milk wasn't spoiled. Now you have to add cardamom. Now you have to add cardamom. Now pongal was ready. Now you have to add badam pieces. And switch off the stove. Pongal was ready. Now sweet pongal was ready to taste. You can serve it with dal. You can decorate with badam. You can also add ghee. Very tasty sweet pongal was ready.